Hi, I'm Richard. Welcome to the FOTILE America channel. We're here with our plumber Ira. We're excited to install our SD2F-P3 in-sink dishwasher. So to open our box today, we're going to utilize this set of pliers and safety knife. Now we're going to open our box. First item we have here is our user manual and rubber hose, our clamps and T-pipes, washer arm, strainer, and our P-trap assembly. Now we've revealed the actual dishwasher in sink. Some of the common parts you'll need to complete a standard installation are a repair P-trap, 6-inch extension tube, heavy-duty trap adapter, 90-degree elbow, T, strainer, tailpipe. In addition to the standard installation, the end user may also want to install a garbage disposal and a sink top accessible switch. In addition to the standard installation, some municipalities may require the installation of an air gap and a connecting hose. This is the recommended stainless steel supply line for this installation. Now that we're ready to do our install, let's go over the tools that we're going to need for the job. Caulk gun, silicone adhesive, channel locks, pipe cutter, electrical pliers, flathead screwdriver, wrench, drill, gloves, tape measure, vice grips, safety glasses, safety knife. Here are the parts we're going to need for the installation. Note, this is the overflow pipe. We're going to insert the connecting tube of the overflow seat exhaust. We've attached one clamp to the exhaust T-pipe. Slide on and tighten to secure. Unsecure the hose, affix clamp, and attach to exhaust T-pipe. Tighten. Note, we've flipped over the dishwasher onto this side of the unit. We're now going to affix the electrical lock T-pipe. Note, there's a clamp attached. Slide on and secure with the pipe facing this direction. Tighten. Attaching the rubber hose to the electrical lock T-pipe. And affix to the lock. Unsecure the electrical cord from shipping. We're going to attach the P-trap. Next step is to attach the hose to the exhaust pipe. Tighten clamp. Attach this hose to the electrical lock pipe and attach and tighten.
Now we're going to go over the installation requirements for P3. There's a few things you need to look at, starting with the opening of the cutout. First, the opening size of the countertop should be 33 by 11/16 length, 18 by 1/8 width, and the corner radius should be cut out to 7/16. The height from the top of the installed countertop to the drain should be greater than or equal to 21 11/16 inches. The third thing to look at is this 110 volt outlet with the hard wire. Now we're going to connect the water supply line for the dishwasher. First, we're going to wrap the threads with this plumbing tape. Next, we're going to attach the piece. Now we're going to connect the hose. Now we're going to apply the silicone to the rim of the sink. Before you apply the silicone, be sure to remove the adhesive tape that's on the sink. Okay, now we're finished applying the silicone on the bottom of the sink. We're going to get ready to drop the sink in. Now we've dropped the sink in and the silicone is all cured. So we're going to go ahead and install our faucet. Just make sure you put all the hoses in the hole. Nice and easy. Okay, now we've installed the faucet and it's all tightened up. So we're going to go ahead and install the strainer along with the tailpiece, which is required for the standard installation of the sink. This goes on the top, and this goes on the bottom beneath the sink. So now we've finished connecting the drain pipes for the standard sink installation. Now I'm going to explain the orientation. First, we came with the tailpiece that connected to the strainer down into a P-trap. After that, we put an elbow on the drain hose assembly and we met both connections in the back by that T. After we connected both drains in that T, we went out to the final exit for the drain. Now that we went over the standard sink installation, we're going to go over the option to install it with a garbage disposal. So here we have the strainer for the garbage disposal. This goes on the top, along with the nuts, and the disposal goes on the bottom. Now we're going to show you the orientation for the plumbing with the garbage disposal installation. Okay, so here we have our garbage disposal fully installed. We have the P-trap connected around back, which connects to the T. And over here we pick up the drain hose assembly, and they both all leave through the waste back there. Up here with our second hole, we have installed the switch, the air switch for the garbage disposal. The original hole size was 28 millimeters. We had to make the hole slightly bigger in order to install this air switch. All kitchen situations may vary. If you're having any difficulty installing the product, please contact your local plumber. Now we're going to connect the dishwasher water supply feed. For this product, make sure you connect the dishwasher water supply line to the cold water, not the hot water. Okay, now for the final step, we're going to connect the hard wire for the dishwasher to the existing hard wire coming out of our outlet. Okay, so here we have the hard wire sticking out of our outlet, and here we have the hard wires from the dishwasher. You're going to make sure you connect white to white, black to black, and green goes to the ground, which may be either in green or in all copper.
Here we are at the final test. We have 2 leak tests to perform. The first leak test we're going to perform on the sink. The other leak test we're going to perform on the dishwasher. I want to say a thank you to Ira for doing such a great job of getting this unit installed. So to activate the dishwasher leak function test mode, you close the lid, hold down the mode button until you see the lock symbol appear. Then press the open button to release the opening of the chamber. Then add cold water to the tub until it's approximately filled. At which point, we'll shut the water off, close the lid, and press the pause button to begin the pump out function. So our test was successful and we found no leaks. We're now at the final stage of the installation. What we need to do is install the filtration panel, the washing arm, and the dish rack. We're going to install the filtration plate, the washing arm, click, and as you can see, the locking pins, and the dish rack. So as a final function to perform, we're going to close the lid. We're going to power the unit on. As you see here, this is the quick wash at 20 minutes. We're going to start. The unit locks itself and will begin pumping in water. We are all set with our test. The dishwasher is performing well. I hope you enjoy utilizing your own 2-in-1 sink dishwasher. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed the video.